Okay, so good morning. Ano naman oras natin gumising ngayon? Okay, so it's almost 10 o'clock and yun na nga. Hindi. May gagawin pa tayo. Okay. So, let's go. Okay, so unang-una nating gagawin is maghihilamos. So, maghihilamos muna ako para fresh ang ating morning. O, diba?
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all.
Look at this kitty
But why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air.
And this is the mother.
Inexplicable,
And this, kung asong to talaga eh, no? Ay, mali.
can you feel me?
Hello! So,
Hello!
today, pupunta po kami ng Demang. Look at our dogs. Ay! Saan? Saan yung dogs?
Ano naman ayan? Aro!
So,
Uyit ulit.
Araw! Something happens to our dog. Wala. What happened? Ikan ring. So, yon may nangyari kay Aro and it's so very bad. Kasi, it's the eyes. RR.
So, sa hindi inaasahan, ganun na nga ang nangyari sa mata ni Aro. Hindi namin alam ang dahilan at nagulat na lang sa nangyari dahil kasama lang namin siya nung isang araw na magaling ang isang mata. At yun na nga, iniwan na lang namin siya dahil kailangan na naming magpatuloy sa aming patutunguhan.
Oh, laki mo naman. Eh. So, ang pupuntahan ko natin ngayon is saan tayo pupunta, Mac? Mac,
Dumang!
saan yung Demang?
Ay, far away!
Wala na. So, sa Demang is dun yung isa naming garden. Oh, muntik na tayo mahulog dun. Isa naming garden. So, pupunta tayo doon para the Tagalog of lugam?
Pilihan mo.
So, kami po ay maglulugam. Okay, so i-video natin yung ginagawa ng mga puppies na to.
Baby, please don't think I run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, your body too. Yeah, body too. Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people, we'll try to be someone better than you and I. Posing for pictures, but nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away? Walk away, walk away. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body too.
So, di namin alam mo. Dito pumunta ang daddy.
It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, your body too. Yeah, body too.
Uy!
I want your body, body.
This right?
Apa kau mau kau? Ini tinggal kau cakap. Bukan aku tuh taman di pokoknya.
Kagat ng kagat. You want this punishment mo?
Hindi lang ka una-una.
So, dito kami maglulugam.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong? Just like a love song, baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder, harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it.
Anong nangyari sa'yo? What happened, Bella? What happened? Okay, so... It's so... 12 o'clock. The time is 12 o'clock and we're here pa rin. Yes, with these dogs. Ang kukulit ng mga asong to. Diba? Ow!
What?
Ala, nakututunan siya kay nanay. Usang. Baka Dako na. Aray! Night di, princess ay. Char. This. Ang baho ng hininga mo. Tingnan nyo tong asong to. Ang kulit-kulit. Okay, so we're going to rest first kasi ang init-init ng panahon. Ang init. And done. Back! Done. Rest! So, this is our garden. O ano, tapos ka na dyan? Tapos ka na? Tapos ka na? O, diba? Ito pa. Ang dami naming kape. Char. Nila. Kape nila. Yan. Yung lalaking yan. Pakunwa-kunwaring masipag. Ang totoo, napilitan. O, di ba? O, para nang aalis yan ah. We'll rest for a bit, then continue.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong? Just like a love song, baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder for me. Oh, harder for me.
Okay, so medyo malakas na yung sikat, yung init ng araw.
Kung kaya wala ka ng gabot.
Yung init ng araw, medyo malakas na and hindi na namin kaya. So, kayanin. Kasi, ayaw ng isa na bumalik pa bukas. Diba? Kaway-kaway naman dito, Hoy! Hoy!
What?
Para kang tae, boy. Yon, and nagpo-problema na naman yung isa doon kasi maraming kuton. Yon, ang dami naming problema dito. Ang init-init. Hindi na namin kaya yung init. Basta ang init-init. Ganda naman ng pwesto mo dyan. Ang kinis-kinis talaga ng buhok na ito, no? So, this is brownie. Of course, brown yung kulay. Diba? Brownie. Brownie? And that will be Hyper. Ngayon lang napangalanan yan ng Hyper. Oh. Ano naman ang tingin? Hyper kasi ang hyper. Parang hindi babae. Yung gustong uminom ng tubig, may tubig dito ah.
Oh my god.
Hoy! Makisama naman kayo sa vlog ko oh. Hoy! Manang! Makisama ka naman sa vlog ko ah. Hoy! Makisama ka sa vlog ko.
At doon na nga nagtatapos ang kabanata.
Okay, so yon medyo okay na yung init kasi medyo okay na siya. Diba? Nakita niyo ba?
After 1 year.
Okay, so we're done! Diba? Tapos na. So yun, nauna na yung mga kasama kong fake. Ang fake. So pauwi na kami. So, let's go.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong? Just like a love song, baby, it's haunting me.
So yun na nga. Naiwan na tayo ng mga kasama natin and we're here in the middle of forest. Forest! No, it's not a forest. Tapos may ano pa? Ayan. Ano yan? Basta. Wow, nandun na sila sa kabila. Oh my gosh. Iwan pala talaga ako. Ang galing mo. Good na ako. Wala pa kaming baon na tubig. Kasi so naiwan na talaga ako. Nandun na sila sa kabila. And kaya natin to.
Harder for me, oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers. Cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless, so no one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars through the floor. Now put your loving on me, eh, loving on me. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all, but I want you lying next to me. Yeah.
So, tuloy. Okay, so kakapagod. Ayun na. Okay. So, nandito na tayo sa house. Sa bahay. And, of course, unang-una natin gagawin ay minom ng tubig. Excuse me. So, yun. Nakaabot na kami dito. And then, kumakain na yung isa. Then, next is liligo. Then, magpapahinga. And then, magpapahinga. Magpapahinga no yung end. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye! Ups! Hindi pa tapos. So, kakain muna kami. Then, yan. Maliliga. Bye!
Maybe you won't see me get emotional,
Ngayon, ang ulam namin is, ano to? Macau. Macau pancit, then So, yun lang kasi walang ilaw. Bye-bye.
Just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, your body too. Yeah, body too.